Firstly, we need to identify whether the tap uses washers or ceramic discs. To do this, turn the tap. If it only turns a quarter turn, it means it's a ceramic disc, so give us a call to come out. If your tap goes all the way around, like this one, it means it uses a washer. So let's take a look inside. First, you need to isolate the hot and cold tap using a flat-headed screwdriver. Usually, you'll find your isolation valves under the basin. Give them a quarter turn to off. If you can't find them, give us a call and we'll come and help you. Once you've isolated the taps, open and close them to make sure no water comes out. It's time to take the tap apart. First, unscrew the tap cover cap. Then, with your Phillips or cross-headed screwdriver, unscrew and take off your tap head. Now that's off, get your adjustable spanner and turn the body of the tap anti-clockwise. Once that's off, run your finger around the inside of the tap to check the seating's okay. If it's cracked, you probably need a new one. But if it's flush, you probably need a new washer, which I'm going to show you how to do now. If you're struggling to remove the washer, use your flat-headed screwdriver to prise it off. Then, put your new washer back on the cartridge and put your tap back together. Finally, we need to turn the water back on by turning the isolation valve a quarter turn back and testing the tap. And if it still don't work, give HomeServe a call and we'll come out to help you.